Factorization algebra.
by Jennifer and Janice Ebelia.
Factors. Numbers have factors, like 2 factor and 3 factor. And expressions like x squared plus 4x plus 3 also have factors. X plus 3 is a factor and x plus 1 is a factor, equals to x squared plus 4x plus 3.
Factoring. Factoring is finding what to multiply together to get an expression. It is like splitting an expression into a multiplication of simpler expressions. Example: factor 2y plus 6. Both 2y and 6 have a common factor of 2. 2y is 2 times y. 6 is 2 times 3. So we can factor the whole expression into 2y plus 6 equals to 2 bracket y plus 3 close bracket. So 2y plus 6 has been factored into 2 and y plus 3.
Common factor. In the previous example, we saw that 2y and 6 had a common factor of 2. But to do the job properly, we need the highest common factor including any variables. Example, factor 3y squared plus 12y. Firstly, 3 and 12 have a common factor of 3. So we could have 3y squared plus 12y equals to 3 bracket y squared plus 4y bracket. But we can do better. 3y squared and 12y also share the variable y. Together that makes 3y. 3y squared is 3y times y, and 12y is 3y times 4. So we can factors the whole expression into 3y squared plus 12y equals to 3y bracket y plus 4.
Try your best. Factoring can be hard. The examples have been simple so far, but factoring can be very tricky because we have to figure what got multiplied to produce the expression we are given, like question mark times question mark equals a cake. It is like trying to find which ingredients went into a cake to make it so delicious. It can be hard to figure out, so try your best.
Remember these identities. Here is a list of common identities including the difference of squares used above. Trust me, it is worth remembering these as they can make factoring easier. Here are the examples of factor expand or how to expand a factor. Please likely to pause the video or you could note it down or take a screenshot of it. Usually these factors expand, usually they come out in a test or some practices. There are many more like those, but those are the most useful ones.
More examples. Experience does help. So here are more examples to help you on the way. Example: W power of 4 minus 16. An exponent of 4. Maybe you could try an exponent of 2. W with the power of 4 minus 16 equals to bracket W square closing bracket square minus 4 square. Yes, it is the difference of squares. So W power of 4 minus 16 equals to bracket W square plus 4 closing bracket another bracket W square minus 4 closing bracket, and bracket W2 minus 4 and closing bracket is another difference of squares. So W power of 4 minus 16 equals to bracket W square plus 4 closing bracket another bracket W plus 2 closing bracket another bracket W minus 2 closing bracket. That is as far as I can go, unless I use imaginary numbers. Haha. Okay guys,